How to add bulk numbers on a WhatsApp group, include bulk numbers in WhatsApp group. So if you want to add a bulk number to your WhatsApp group, it is very simple. First of all, you simply open up the group and simply search for the group where you want to add a bulk number. So you must actually be the owner of that group. Once you are owner of the group, tap on the group name from the very top. Then you can see the add button. Tap on the add button. Now here you can simply select all the people from your contacts in bulk. So you can simply go ahead and then select all this person's profile picture one by one like this. And once you've added them one after another, now you can just hit this little arrow icon from the bottom to add them, and all of these members who are in your contacts, they will be able to be added on your group in a bulk without having to add or invite them one after another. That's all it takes for us to add bulk numbers on WhatsApp group. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.